It's a bright, sunny Sunday, and my brain said, let's not waste this weather sitting at home. So I started digging for what's happening around town, and boom, found out there's a farmer's market, a local food fair, and something called Kalparasa, fresh coconut sap that everyone's raving about. Perfect combo, right? My stomach agreed immediately. So here I am, in my car, driving toward the fair, music on, windows down, and already imagining all the food waiting for me. Here we are at Krishi Utsava 2025, a huge celebration of farming, gardening, pets, nature, and all things local and delicious happening right here in Mangalore. Alright, so as I begin to explore the fair, I wander into the gardening section. And let's be honest, my balcony could definitely use some green therapy. There are beautiful flowers everywhere, but nope, not falling for that today. Pretty, sure, but not practical. Then I spotted an entire section loaded with fruit plants. Now this is my vibe, and that's when I met Mr. Berry Good. Yeah, that's what I'm calling him. He was the first to say hi, and being a very approachable guy, I just had to pick him up. What can I say? A very good fairy tale story right there. Too lazy to brave the market for your salad greens? No worries. Here's a microgreen kit just for you. Fresh, fast, and fabulous greens growing right on your kitchen counter. Grow tiny powerhouses of nutrition that'll make your salad sing without ever leaving your couch. Now I'm at the section for sweets, snacks, and locally made pickles and preserves. It's a curated selection of traditional flavors and unique treats, crafted with care to bring authentic taste and quality to your table. Gold at a farmer's fair? Didn't see that coming. But hey, who says fresh isn't fancy? Here comes my favorite pit stop. Snacks, or as we proudly call it, chakna. These crunchy, salty delights are basically made to be besties with a glass of whiskey, or if you're playing it safe, a glass of lemonade pretending to be a grown-up. Either way, snack time just got a whole lot more interesting. Banana halwa is a distinctive and cherished sweet from Mangalore, made from local varieties of ripe bananas. It is typically cooked slowly with jaggery or sugar, ghee, and sometimes flavored with cardamom and nuts to create a dense, sticky, and deeply caramelized dessert with a unique texture and aroma. You can also see a few varieties of halwa here. Let's step right up to the magic masala stall. Whether you're cooking up veggie curry or a hearty mutton, there's a special blend waiting for you. Authentic flavors for every dish, because every recipe deserves its own secret weapon made from the finest blended spices. Feeling like your home is way too quiet? Like you're the star of a never-ending episode called The Lonely Couch? Time to add some co-stars. The fair has birds, mice, hamsters, purring cats, waddling ducks, clucking chickens, fluffy rabbits, and even calming fishes, all looking for friends. Just remember, some of these little divas prefer a buddy over a solo audience, so pick 'em a partner and double the fun, love, and occasional mischief. Finally, the stall I've been curious about, Kalparasa. This refreshing nectar is tapped straight from the unopened coconut flower, carefully collected by skilled climbers slicing just the tip, to let the sweet sap flow. Packed with natural goodness and a burst of fresh flavor, it's the ultimate healthy drink. Just remember to consume it cold, because if you don't, it'll quickly turn into toddy, and you'll have a pleasantly tipsy day ahead.